In front of me I've got Madden NFL 25. In this video I'll show you the Gauntlet Minigame. Let's read the description of this minigame. Are you a minigame master? Enter the infinite halls of the Gauntlet to see how far your skills can take. Welcome to the Gauntlet. You have 3 lives to get as far as you can, and score as many points as you can. Each level will explain its rules for success and failure. You will have opportunities to earn bonus lives along the way. Target passing. Position your quarterback and time your passes to destroy targets. Destroy any target to avoid losing life. Crash into defenders to block your running back. Land a block on the play to avoid losing a life. Get open goal for the ball with X and make the catch. Stay in bounds and sack the quarterback. Make the sack within the time limit to avoid losing life. Get open call for the ball of X to catch the pass before the quarterback gets sacked. Play defensive coverage and stop the pass. Run to the catch zone before pass timer expires and make the catch to earn extra life. Gain at least 5 yards on the play to avoid losing life. Get open call for the ball with X and make the catch. Stay in the pocket, avoid the projectiles, and blend a bullseye to complete the level without losing life. Beat blockers and sack the quarterback.
Gun! Shot!
Run to the clock zone before pass timer expires and make the touch. And that's basically it for this minigame. This minigame is testing all of our skills we gained through previous minigames. If you find this video helpful, please like, comment and subscribe.